raw broccoli. Ooh, it is a pandan chicken. Hi guys, how are you? Today I have economy rice. This is stir fry sambal belacan with water spinach or named as kangkung, raw broccoli, and pandan chicken. And don't forget rice with sambal belacan sauce. I'll let you have a look. Can see? Ooh, this is pandan chicken. Can see? Yeah, and this is the sambal belacan sauce. Okay, and I have a glass of plain water, and my teddy bear is with us. Okay, let's get started. I'm so hungry. Yes. Have a first bite, guys. I love to eat fried rice with my hand. Wow, nice. Let's try the broccoli. Raw broccoli. So good, guys. Mmm. 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 Guys, what is this? Yeah, pandan chicken. Let me open it for you, okay? To open. Yan. Ooh. It is a pandan chicken that wrapped with this is called pandan leaf. It's a wrap with a pandan leaf. Okay. And must dip with the sauce. Mmm. Mmm. I'm so hungry right now. What did you guys have for dinner tonight? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up, and share my video, okay? Subscribe and nice. Mm. Dry chili. Nice. It's spicy. Let me try a chicken with broccoli. Mmm. Mmm. Wow, I'm speechless. Mmm. 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 Do you enjoy my my food? If you enjoy, remember to subscribe to my channel, okay? Mmm. Mmm. One more piece. Pandan chicken is wrapped with pandan leaf, and the chicken is marinated with some sauce, and is this one I think deep fried. Is wrapped with pandan leaf. It's fragrant and its aroma is smells wonderful. See, this is a pandan leaf. Okay, another piece of chicken. Mmm. Mmm. Include the bone. Yummy. You know, eating with hands tastes more delicious, don't you think so? Leave a comment below. You used to eat with hand or chopsticks or fork and spoon? Or in the description, comment below. Very good. Wow. It's so good. Lunchtime I didn't have rice. I just have fruit. So yummy. I'm so full. Thanks guys for watching. And wait, let me use a cup, a glass of water. Have a sip. Bye. Good. Okay, I'm glad. Do you like my food today? If you like it, so give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share, okay? See you next time in my next video. See you guys. Bye. I love you. Mwah. Bye.